Good day, learners. Today we're going to discuss evaluating algebraic expressions. So in evaluating algebraic expressions, we simply substitute the given value to the expression. In doing this, we need to take into consideration the order of operations. We call this one as Pemdas. So here are the order of operations. First, we simplify the expressions inside the grouping symbols such as braces, parentheses, or brackets, and as indicated by fraction bars. And the second one, we have to evaluate all powers and extract roots. Third, we need to simplify products and quotients in order from left to right. And lastly, we're going to simplify sums and differences in order from left to right. So I have here examples on how to evaluate algebraic expressions. So we are given algebraic expressions and we're also given the value of a particular variable. All we need to do is to simply substitute that particular variable or that particular value of the variable. So let us say we have number 1. Evaluate 3x squared plus 5 when x is equal to 2. Again, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, we need to take into consideration yung Pemdas na rules. Okay. So how are we going to do this? Una, sulat muna natin yung given. Balik, you have 3x squared plus 5. Okay? Now, nakalagay na condition, ano yung magiging equivalent niya pag ang x ay equal to 2. So we simply substitute 2 sa value ng x. Okay? So we will have 3 times 2 squared plus 5. Once you are substituting, make sure na ilalagay natin sa loob ng parentheses para hindi tayo malito. And after that one, we're going to simplify. Again, we need to follow the rules ng Pemdas. So in this case, saan yung mauuna? Would it be 3 times 2? Or would it be 2 squared? So since may exponent tayo, we need to simplify that one first. So we have 2 squared before tayo magmumultiply ng 3. So, kokopyahin lang muna natin yung 3. Then, 2 squared, that is 2 times 2. So, magiging 4. Then, bring down natin yung plus 5. Okay? After that one, we're going to perform all the multiplication or division from left to right. Okay? So, since meron tayo isang multiplication, ito muna yung una nating ipe-perform before tayo mag-a-add ng 5. So, 3 times 4, you have 12. Then, bring down plus 5. And finally, we're going to add now the two numbers. We have 12 plus 5, that is equal to 17. Therefore, the answer is equal to positive 17. Second example, we have evaluate 3x minus 2y if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to negative y. So this time, we are given two variables. So again, kung ano lang yung nakalagay dito na value, yun lang yung isa-substitute natin sa particular na variable. So kung sa y na negative 1, therefore yung negative 1 is substitute lang natin sa variable na y. Okay? So we have, again, isulat natin ulit yung problem, 3x minus 2y. So we have 3 times 3x, that is 3 times x. Okay? So yung value ng x daw would be equal to 2. Minus 2 times y. Yung value naman ng y is negative 1. Okay, let's perform the operation. So, multiplication muna before yung subtraction. We have 3 times 2, that is equal to 6. Minus 2 times negative 1. So, rules ng integer, same signs would produce a positive product. So, negative 2 times negative 1 would be equal to positive 2. And finally, we're going to add them. So, you will have 6 plus 2, that is equal to 8. So our final answer is equal to 8. Okay, next example, we have evaluate 2x minus 6 all over 5y plus 1 when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to negative 3. So, sulat natin siya ulit, 2x minus 6 all over 5y plus 1. So, dito na lang sa baba. So, 2 times x. Yung x natin would be 4. Then, minus 6. So, yung mga numbers na walang variable, hindi natin siya papalitan. Bring down lang natin. Then, we have 5 times y. Y is equal to negative 3. and plus 1. So we will have 2 times 4, that is 8, minus 6, and 5 times negative 3, that is negative 15, plus 1. Okay. So since walang space, i-continue ko lang dito sa gilid. So you have 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2, over negative 15 plus 1, that is equal to negative 14. Now, we can still simplify this one. Pwede pa natin siyang i-lowest term. So, 2 and 14, we can divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. So, 2 divided by 2, magiging 1. And 14 divided by 2, magiging 7. Now, since positive yung nasa taas, or numerator, and i-divide natin sa negative na denominator, so positive divided by negative would become negative. So, yung final answer natin, ilalagay natin yung negative side dito sa gitna. So, the final answer is negative 1 over 7. Last example. Evaluate p squared minus 5p plus 17 if p is equal to negative 6. So, sulat again yung given, then substitute. So, we have p is equal to negative 6 squared minus 5p and plus 2. So, mapapansin niyo dalawang beses tayo na-substitute kasi dalawang variables or dalawang beses din nakasulat yung variable na p. Okay? So, negative 6 squared, that is negative 6 times negative 6. So, it would be equal to positive 36. Negative 5 times negative 6, that is equal to positive 30. Then, plus 17. Then, lastly, you can add them sabay. So, 36 plus 30, that is equal to 66. So, 66 plus 17, that is equal to 83. So, the final answer is 83. Now, it's your turn. Try to answer the following questions. And that's a wrap. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Sir Ninyo. And you can also post your math problems in the comment section. And we will do our very best to provide solution to your questions. Because remember, every problem has a solution. At kung math ang problema ninyo, ako ang kaagapay ninyo, ako ang Sir Ninyo.